Welcome to the new era of logbooks. That's right, cast away your clipboards, bin those binders, scrap those spiral-bound notebooks. Introducing MasterControl Logbooks. It's time to take your logbooks 100% digital. Trade human errors and sloppy handwriting for crisp, clean, digital data. Break free from the permanence of printed logbooks. Use the Logbooks Builder tool to quickly create templates you can use for any logbook. Simply revise templates to meet your ever-changing needs. And because it's cloud-based, you can finally put an end to the logbook hide-and-go-seek routine. Your team can access any logbook, anytime, anywhere via the cloud. Review entire logbooks quickly and easily from your search bar. You can even connect your logs to your workflows, production records, and other enterprise systems. It's time to take paperless quality and manufacturing to the next level. Start your digital logbooks era today.